Albino raccoons.
The only place for like albino white raccoons is Newcastle. Assuming this is Newcastle. But
It is Newcastle.
Oh.
There's albino raccoons on Newcastle.
Running wild there. Apparently that's what I've been told.
Who told you that though? Your 11-year-old brother?
No, it was a guy who lives in Nanaimo. And he's seen him.
Guess
face
what,
to face.
Alex?
So, yeah, 10-year-old. There's white raccoons.
Look who's back in town. Charlene is around again for a few days, and we're trying to make the most of it before she heads out again. We're at the Nanaimo Harbour, and we're about to link up with a few friends, head out on a 3-hour catamaran cruise tonight. My friend Toby, who is a YouTuber as well, I'll put his link up top here, he has invited us and Alex and Savannah, as well as a couple other people perhaps, to go out tonight. There it is right there. That's the one we're going on.
I have a radio on there. If I die in the course of doing this, just pick up the radio and say help and you can do whatever.
Call SOS.
I've got netting. You see here that wood netting holds thousands of pounds, and you can move these things around. You don't have to be on the nets. You can sit any place you want. You can sit behind the mast. There's seating area there. Come on back here and take a little peek.
So we've been out in the water probably for over an hour or so, and just touring around the area by Newcastle, over by what's this island over here?
Protection.
Over by Newcastle Island, over by Protection Island, in the Nanaimo Harbour area. Saw a bunch of seals. I think my mic was off for most of that, so I'll just have random shots of me pointing at seals. So fun. The sun's starting to go down. It's been a great night so far. Having a good time, Toby?
Yes, I am.
Excellent.
You know me, getting the shot.
That's right. One of the things I love about Toby's channel is he's able to encapsulate a week worth of vlogging in just a single episode. Tried that, I couldn't do it. I'm a failure. He kills at it. And so much better than I ever could try.
Well, the key to that, you just gotta not film as much. That's what I...
True enough.
Yeah, I filmed every day for 7 days. I was like,
I need somebody to catch this buoy here.
Ah, buoy catching 101.
You catch it? You want me to...
So I'm going to be on this side getting it?
No, you hook onto it and you just hang on to it. Don't let it go.
Okay.
I'll come on. Come on. Underneath.
So Toby's wrapping up the video that he was shooting. He put this whole thing together tonight just to highlight Hans and what he's doing with his business and his boat. This guy is an incredibly hospitable man. Couldn't believe how nice he was to us as we just hung out on his boat. He fed us well, took care of us. He showed us some amazing sights in the area. Tell us a little about the community that he's so familiar with. So yeah, really appreciated the opportunity to do it. Sticker's kind of redundant, but thank you for putting it on.
That's true. You know, it was kind of pointless because I already made it, but that's fine.
It's all right.
There you are.
It's all good. Fashion iced tea lemonade coming at you.
Thanks.
All right.
It's like a drive-through.
Kind of.
What's it? What are those things called where they bring it to your window? A drive-in.
Oh, drive in. That's a
No.
movie. Drive up?
Like it, whatever. No.
I don't know. It's like one of those.